This is everything that's included with your XMCOSY LED floor lamp. Setup is quick and easy. Simply screw together all the pieces of the pole, align the arrows on the electrical connector, and finish by attaching the lamp to the top of the pole. Finish assembly by attaching the base to the lamp pole, plug in the electrical connector, and enjoy. You can control the lamp via remote control. Red button operates the white light on and off, and the green controls the RGB. It also features full control over light brightness and color profiles. Simply tap the center button to switch between the lights, and you have control over both RGB and white light brightness and color profiles. And it easily attaches to the lamp pole. You can control the light with touch button controls. You have a master on-off switch, RGB light control, cycling through the lights, double tap operation to turn just the RGB light on and off, white LED light control, and double tap operation to turn the light on and off.